Hi, this is Victor with Spice and Advice, and this is a Quickie Edition. So my niece Katrina wanted a recipe for Salsa Verde. What I did is I took 1.5 pounds of tomatillos, and then I cut them in half, and then I just pan fried them like for 5 minutes. You just want to brown them a little bit. I'll probably brown them a little bit more. And at the same time, I put some garlic cloves and browned them a little bit, and then I added half a cup of sweet onion, half a cup of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and salt and pepper. You take your blender, if you have a regular blender, if you have a food processor, or you have one of these little toys. You put it in, and all you want to do is just, break it all, make it into a salsa. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And that's it. If you want it a little bit more juicy, you can, but I like it chunky. That is so good. You're gonna love it. Enjoy your salsa verde.